What if I told you that most AI isn't actually intelligent? No thinking, no awareness, no understanding. And surprisingly, that's not a problem at all. When people hear the word artificial intelligence, they imagine something that thinks like a human. But most AI systems don't think. They don't know why they answer, they don't understand meaning, they don't even know what a question is. They are very good at patterns and nothing more. At its core, most AI is just math, statistics, and probability. For example, if you show an AI thousands of images of cats, it doesn't learn what a cat is. It learns when pixels looks like this, the answer is probably cat. No curiosity, no reasoning, just prediction. So why does it look so smart? Because scale changes everything. When you combine huge amount of data, powerful hardware, and fast optimization, you get systems that feel intelligent. Chatbots sounds human. Image generators feel creative. Recommendation systems feel personal. But it's an illusion of intelligence, not the real thing. Here is the important part. AI doesn't need to be intelligent to be useful. A calculator isn't intelligent, but it is powerful. Search engines don't understand, but they help billions. AI is a tool, not a mind, and tools don't need consciousness to change the world. The danger isn't that AI is too intelligent. The danger is that we think it is. Understanding what AI isn't helps us use it better and fear it less. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.